and you maybe came across stream there, and you feel that that place will be comfortable with your family, you come and take your family members to that place, or you can even marry there on that side and settle there. Are you following? So all this is what actually happened in life. So, but now, so whenever you buy, even if a virgin land, always perform that ritual. What is expected of you is buy a chick, female chick. Yes, I have in Igbo language. Buy a chick and a goat. At least buy a chick and a goat. Yes, you can even add cock to it. Then you perform that ritual with kola and rest of them, and make some declaration that whoever and any spirit that I once live here, that today this particular land is to be used as a residential place. Please, they should allow this land to be used by the living. And now that this house, this land will not be too hot for the inhabitants, people that are going to live in that particular place. Because that particular place, you want to make it a human habitant. You want to make it a human residential place. Because that place might be a place for the living, a place anchored the spirit. So for human being to start living there, to build a house there, a form of appeasement must be done. You appease them, offer that sacrifice, and ask them to leave, to go to anywhere again, so that this place will be comfortable for the living. Once you do the needful, believe in me, they will go, because you have paid the homage. Why is required for you to use goat? Four-legged things is being used to offer sacrifice to large spirits, because cock will be too small if there are many. So to be on the safe side, you use cock. Neku is for land, to appease the land. Then you use the goat, so that as many as they are, they will be able to share it and give way for you to build that house. So that land will not be too hot and too cold for a habitat. Because if that land is too hot or too cold, believe in me, just a matter of time, people that are living there will wipe out. Yes, maybe the person that live here might give birth to a child, male child. That male child will live there, give birth to female children, or he will not even born at all. And as by so doing, everywhere will face out. So this is what you must do. A lot of families are experiencing crisis because the land is too hot. It's not good for people. Inhabitants is not good. Some form of appeasement must be done. So whenever your family is experiencing kind of serious crisis, and you understand that this is no longer coincidence. This is no longer what just happened by accident. How can you justify that in a family where they have 3 male child, the other one died in accident, the other one died in accident, the other one is dying in similar accident? Again, let me give you an example. If somebody tells you that I'm going to Abuja, and there stray blade touch the person died at the age of 34. The other one going to Lagos, their motor had accident, he died. The other one, the same family dying in accident. Is it not touching you that something is wrong? Why must it be accident? Because accident is a painful death. Accident is not the same thing with somebody that got sick and died. Not the same thing. Somebody that got sick, his family members will surround him and be saying, "Daddy, sorry." Eventually, the person died. But somebody that he said, "Bye, okay, I'm coming back. If I come back, I will buy bread for you. What will I buy for you?" He said, "Daddy, buy this and that." And no, just like that. It happened 1, happened 2, happened 3, happened 4. Something is wrong somewhere. Or you see some family that that age bracket. Once somebody clock like 40 years, he buy 40 years, he buy 39 years. If I know that they are not crossing that year. There was one family, one guy told me that in their family now, they don't have anybody that's beyond 50 years. So certain things that will be happening show you that something is wrong. Don't keep quiet. Whenever you are experiencing such family crisis, that something is wrong. Or you see a family that maybe that family no male child, but they finally got married, no child. But that Lucy got married, it's only female children. And Chingozi got married, even her husband house doesn't get no child. And Tifeyinwa got married to his own, he has only a female child. What are you seeing? Those 4 children born in the one family, 2 male. This one did not even have a child at all. The other one have only 2 or 1 child, a girl. And Chingozi, the 2 daughters, all 2 of them got married. The other one did not even born. The other one even born 1 or 2 women. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? So certain things that will be happening. If you say one is a coincidence, what of the other one, the second one, what of the third one, what of the fourth one? Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu si na Igbo parable says, agba mbụ atụọ n'ogbe, agba abụọ tụọ n'ogbe, agba atọ ọsọ ogbe ka a pịara akụ. Why must it be the same you, the same family, the same family, the same family? Why must it be? Something must be wrong, and something is responsible. The earlier the better you find out that all is not well, there is crisis in your family, then you start begin to do something. I use some of these stories to buttress my point, but I can tell you, check it down to your family, meditate upon my lecture today. Ask yourself some basic questions. Yes, ask yourself some basic questions. Why is it that everything negative happens in your family? Why is it that? So then if you come up and you understand to you that all is not well, that no smoke without fire, please do the needful. Don't keep quiet when things are not moving right. Because the Igbo parable says, meaning that when things are not right for you, you keep quiet. It means that you are accepted. You get? You must be angry. Let me tell you the secret. You must be angry with your condition that is not palatable in order to change it. Once you are not angry with the negative condition that you are passing through, it will remain so. It just means in agreement that you have accepted the effect. Are you following? Yes. You must revoke it. I reject. I reject is not only with the ordinary mouth. You put it into action and do the needful. So when things are not moving right, do the needful. Don't keep quiet. Let me give you, before I close, go to read Matthew 7:7. It says, ask, it shall be given unto you. Knock, the door will open for you. Seek, you shall find. Meaning that you will do the needful yourself. You make a move. You make a move. And why will you make a move? You will make a move because you're already angry. You're already tired about what is happening in your own family. And you fed up with all that condition and said, this must stop. Enough is enough. So once you are angry with that your negative condition, believe in me, the solution is there. But once it's, I've been working, there was a time I used to drive motor, I used to get money now, and so what? So once you say, okay, there's nothing I can do, you have accepted the condition, and the condition will remain. But once you said, you become angry with your condition and said, I must end this, believe in me, the solution will be there for you. Let me round up. What did I say today? What I said is that if on your own, you know what you are passing through in your own family. It could be untimely death, it could be setback, it will be building houses without completing it. It will be childlessness. It could be one form of problem or everything. You know what your family is passing through. And they are no longer feeling comfortable with such condition. Please do the needful. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, yes, you can consult me for consultation and for advice and counseling. You can reach me in my own WhatsApp number 0805 7837 672. I repeat, 0805 08138377672 or 0813-8243-871. I repeat, 0813-8243-871. All my social media handles remain the same. Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tubororifite. Use this name. You will see us in TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Let's see tomorrow. Time of ministration of the truth. Yes. Asim no no we bro je we to aja. Emecha na oge po me. You don't remain blessed.
Good day, my name is Chucks. If you're in need of building designs, we have years of experience helping people get the beauty of their dream house they have always wanted. Even if you have great fear of seeking for architect because of money, we can help. Don't put off getting your dream house that you deserve. So give us a WhatsApp chat via our Facebook page today at Fenwork Architecture. Fenwork Architecture gives you the best. Thank you.
Morning. Okay, my name is Machuku Francis Chukwuemeke. I'm from Anambra State, Nigo, precisely. Okay, to start with, I would say thank you for using that word, beautiful. Those work we saw in Eziokwu TV, I'm the architect that designed them. I happen to be one of 3 executive directors in Framework Architecture. Framework Architecture is a multidisciplinary integrated company that offers specialized and expert contracts and consultancy in area of architecture, civil engineering, project planning, interior designing. Okay, Framework Architecture was founded and began operating in 2010. The company is led by management team of 3 executive directors, and have assembled a group of experienced and professional technicians in both traditional and high technology. Thank you so much. Our mission is to provide a service to meet the challenges of building environment associated with the developing countries like Africa. We aim to provide a conducive and safety, affordable housing units. Okay, to reach us is so easy. We are everywhere here in Nigeria. Why I say that we are everywhere is that we go outside jobs. Any place you call us, we are ready to be there and achieve your requirements. So for our contact number, you can reach us on our WhatsApp number 070-6465-2451. I repeat, 070-6465-2451. Or you can also contact us through our email address, frameworkarchitecture@gmail.com. Thank you so much. I appreciate my pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, viewers all over the world. My names are Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Rifte. I'm here this morning to react on trending topic concerning reforms going on in Igbo spirituality. One of my followers chatted me. He was of the view that we should not reform Eze-Ana, that we keep on using the outdated method used by our ancestors, our fathers, meaning that Igbo spirituality, we should maintain the old status quo. Our altars, Igbo spirituality, we have altars, Lokumodi teacher, like Okwedo, Okulasi, Okumodi teacher, even the same thing with the one that is in your village. Place of worship in Igbo spirituality. We should keep on staying under the trees and the shanties. That anything we are trying to build a befitting place of worship, for him, he is not in support. So I'm here today to react to some of such comments. That look, world over, every spiritual movement, they're all reforming. Let me draw your attention to Catholic faith. There's what they call Vatican I. During Vatican I era, the priest, Manaco Latin, during the Latin Mass. That time, in Vatican I, because Catholic Church have Vatican I and Vatican II. Presently, they are practicing Vatican II. Under Vatican I, they are using purely Latin. Yes, they are using purely Latin. And that time, Reverend Father will face the Holy of Holies. He face the altar, back people. Anytime they want to give blessing, like Dominus Vobiscum, he will turn people to people and say Dominus Vobiscum, et cum spiritu tua. That is Dominus Vobiscum. Simple means Asekuya et cum spiritu tua. Then face back. Are you following? So, and as the church was growing, they understand that by so doing that some people don't actually understand the meaning of those Latin words. So, under Vatican II, they reform it. Under Vatican II, they taught it why that and make declarations that from that Vatican II going forward, that people should be celebrating Mass in their own language. They reform a lot of things, and the Reverend Father began to face the audience. Everything, they reform so many. I just want to use this particular celebration of Mass as a case study. The same thing with the other world religion world over. Are you following? Even in Hindu, it's Buddha that built the first temple in India, like modern temples. So there was so many reforms. So many reforms. The same thing with if you go to other sets, religious sets like Grey Message, the Kanka and rest of them, many of them are building modern place of worship, so temples. However, once you enter into any place of worship, you will see sign that will show you that this particular place of worship or temple belongs to so spiritual sect. Like if I enter Catholic church, once I enter inside, I will be able to tell you this is Catholic, even without signboard. Because I have already know some certain things. Despite the fact that other religions have chairs and everything, they have similarity. That's what I'm trying to say. But there is some certain things that made it unique. For example, Catholic must have crucifix. Crucifix. Why the Anglican, exterior of Anglican and Catholic look alike, right? But there is different because in Anglican, you will only see a cross. You will not see crucifix. The same thing with other Pentecostals. So, but some people still want Ordinana to remain with those outdated methods that did not even help us anywhere. Okay, with this old method of under trees and shanties, have you ever seen any serving governors? Despite the fact, or even senator, despite the fact that some of them, when they are contesting, yes, they seek prayers from traditional worshippers. Yes, Igbo spirituality. But because of how everything is structured, time of Thanksgiving, you will not see them. Okay, if the governor is coming to thank Olas with his entourage, where will he sit? The atmosphere is not conducive. Okay, if there is maybe a rainfall, how do you expect governor or a senator or and his entourage to be running helter-skelter because rain is coming? The atmosphere is not built in a way that it will accommodate high-profile personalities. So, but now in Igbo spirituality, we are moderning it. What is important is the teaching. In Igbo spirituality, African traditional religion, we are talking about telling you why you should not destroy your family obi, why you should be at peace with your children and rest of them. All those the tenets of Igbo spirituality teaching will teach you about those things. And even tell you how you can be able to do it yourself. Like I said, 70% of your spiritual work can be done by yourself. if you are properly guided. So that is what modern Igbo spirituality is trying to do. Now we are remodeling so many things, giving at least modern place of worship where you can come and sit comfortably. In fact, if we can even afford AC, we put AC. Are you getting me? So that the atmosphere must be nice. Yes, because because other religious sects and spiritual movements are looking down on Igbo spirituality because of how our altars look like under the trees, under shanties and everything. People are looking down on us. So I'm a reformer. I am of the opinion that place of worship of Chukwu Okike should look nice. Okay, look at what African traditional religion is doing, Ghanaian religion. Look at it. You see it and watch the next video. You will see you will watch the next videos. You will see people massively returning back to Igbo spirituality via African traditional religion. You will see the atmosphere, you will see the interior, you will see the everything. The environment is nice and very conducive, so that everybody, it will be conducive for all walks of life. So watch this video and see the reformation we are bringing in Igbo spirituality, because we believe that place of worship of Chukwu should be nice and it should follow the reality on ground of 21st century. So you watch how we worship. The difference is that Igbo spirituality does not believe that Jesus is God. Yes. So Igbo spirituality does not recognize that. We believe in Chukwu Okike Puru Ime Ihe Niile. That is the core difference between us and Christianity. So I will have worship songs. Those worship songs, the only thing is that we recognize Chukwu. We don't recognize Jesus. That is the third difference. So, and if you look inside our interior of place of worship, you will see our Nzu is there. Edo is there. So if you look well, you will see the difference from the normal church, because we will not see anything, any carved image in that place. However, outside the place of worship, you still have other symbols in the environment for you to know that you are in African traditional religion arena. Let me stop here. Watch this video and tell me what you have to say. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
God bless you. 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 Chineke mere mma. Chineke wara ko se ko so ala. Abasa no da wa mere ma ke go na se. Ike de no so no wewe.
ihe ji na nchabu. Inugo maka Eze-Nwanyị ihe ji na nchabu. Arụsị Eze-Nwanyị ihe ji na nchabu. Mmụọ nwere ngabasị arụsị dị nnekwu. Eze-Nwanyị ihe ji na nchabu. Mmụọ karaka mmụọ nwere ngabasị arụsị dị nnekwu. Eze-Nwanyị ihe ji na nchabu.
Nobody tell me you love me. Show me the evidence. Say the feeling is permanent. I said you lie, oh lie. So I don't need to do too much.
Viewers all over the world, as you all know, my name is Eze-Ana. If you have been following me on my social media teachings and propagation, I made some lectures in the past that the white people, they never love us, and they will never start today to love us. Even in the religious houses, you will still see them treating us like garbage, to show us that their claim love that showing us is fake. What they are interested in us is what they will take from us. But genuine love, without fear of modern camera, knowing fully well that the international cameras are there taking them, they don't really care. How do you think that they will love us? I want you to watch this video and tell me what you think. That even in the religious house, they are treating us like this. Remember our own brother, Eze, that's supposed to be at the seat of papacy. They push me away. Watch this video.